Oh, good morning everybody. Welcome back to another video on my holiday vlog. It's pretty early in the morning actually, still 7:30. Today's plan, I want to drive out to the Hoover Dam and then go and see the Grand Canyon I think. I should be able to fit it all in the same day. Quite a lot of driving, still a bit like but it is what it is. Yeah, I'll be able to take you along with me as well. I'll show you some of the driving, and if I'm lucky and I find some decent places to pull over, I'll try and get some drone footage as well, because the drone is right there, so I'll be bringing that with me. Try and get some good footage. I mean, the view this morning is I mean, look at the view. I mean, you've got all the mountains in the background over there, and they're currently building the Formula 1 stands. But yeah, so let's get on the road, go and see some landmarks. Okay, well I've made it. I recorded it as well, the drive up here, but I forgot to hit record when I left the hotel. I managed to do it about 5 minutes into the trip, so there's a few minutes of me leaving the hotel missing, but it's right, you'll get to see quite a lot of the stuff. I mean, the drive up here, the scenery, absolutely beautiful. And coming in, it's incredible. I mean, I've done it again with a zooming thing. I mean, that just gives you an idea. If it's, there you go, zoom it, let me look at that. That's right outside where I'm parked, and like you can't really see it that much, but it's over there, the Hoover Dam. But we shall go and investigate and explore and take some photos and some videos, and we'll have a really good time. So let's go. Wow, there's that bridge. I'm going to go on that later, I think. Definitely. Oh, it's so warm. I didn't realise you could drive over it. I may have to do that. For definite. That would be awesome driving over this thing. Wow. That is cool.
Any goats? Any goats or sheep?
Not yet. Oh, I've got to take some photos of this. That is a long way down. Oh, let's get a lookout point on this one. Wow. That is a long way down. Yeah, sorry for all the jump cuts, but I've got to take photos as well.
Same idea, same concept. Would they cut through the Panama Canal? That used to
No,
be
it's fine.
US territory. Like, when this was built, 35, 39 yung Panama Canal. That's what I'm not sure. Thank you, sorry. Thank you. Thank you. That's perfect, thank you.
Ooh. That's better. Trying to adjust the gimbal to get it spot on. These up here are spectacular.
Yeah, so you can either take the elevator, escalator, stairs down.
Absolutely. Thanks.
I just wanted to find this.
It's so high up. Right, let's walk on to the other side. And back down. I mean, I could carry on walking through there, but this is the type of thing I want to see on this side. Ooh, look at that. There's a lot of water gone.
Oh wait, I want to get the Arizona sign.
See, that's a spillway there. It's a lot shallower. Who knows when it'll be completely empty. I've just realised I left my other camera in car as well, hooked up to its sun visor when I was doing the driving video. It should be right, I hope. That's incredible, that, to say at one point all this was underwater. You can see the line marks on the wall. That's incredible. My watch is constantly vibrating. I'm getting messages. Because people know where I am, so they're messaging me. Oh yeah, so I think we're going to cross back over the border, well not the border, the state line. It's mad, this tower is in Arizona. So I've been to Arizona now. Stop and take a photo again in a second. Yeah, that's pretty mad, that. And then you've got the Nevada Tower over there. Oh wow. You see the water lines. That's them photos taken. Now it's time to pass over back into Nevada. Yeah, I definitely might drive over it, Dam. Do something different. That's mad. I mean, you see this place in the movies, and obviously they edit the water level and make it higher. But it's mad seeing, I've seen this in so many movies. The most recent one has got to be San Andreas, where the whole entire dam collapses. But hey ho, that's not going to happen today, even though there were an earthquake the other day in San Francisco. But it's right. The scenic views are amazing. I mean, this is beautiful. But yeah, I think I definitely am going to have a look in the souvenir shop, see what there is. Maybe able to acquire a couple of souvenirs from a trip here. My whole entire journey I've been on holiday, I've picked up quite a lot. Shame it's got to end soon. But back to reality, no, soon. Back to reality.
Ja, nice Bier, Mann. Ja.
Would you mind taking a photo with us?
Yeah, sure. I think that's the state line. I'm now back in Nevada. This is mad. This is the Nevada one as well, so I'll go and take a photo of that one and a selfie in front of it. I think I need to change my water because it's getting warm. Yeah, let's go and take a selfie of this one. Yeah, totally worth the drive out. Food and gifts, so yeah, I'm going to go to a gift shop for definite. I hope you enjoyed the walk across Hoover Dam. That sounds held did. And yeah, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully it'll be Grand Canyon West.